Hi guys, yesterday I was talking about the starter, the sound when you start the car engine. I'll just give a quick solution for reduce the sound. Um, just watch and get an idea what I'm doing. Just start the car. You heard the sound is coming from the engine mostly, and I just have the penetrating oil QV40. I will apply now. Just watch. I assume the sound coming from starter, and I just put the spray into the just a couple of times. Just like 2-3 days, 2-3 times, once a month, and you will see the sound will be disappear. Thanks for watching, and if you're happy, just share and like this video. I really appreciate for your subscription as well. Have a good day everyone.